Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to mix history with the future of Tesla. We are going to talk about why Tesla announced that they can now accept Bitcoin as a means of payment, and why does it matter for Tesla investors, for Tesla owners, and Tesla itself as a company. We are on our way to Windsor Castles, where we are going to visit this historical monument built 1,000 years ago and the residence of the Queen of England at the moment. So if you want to watch those beautiful pictures and video of Windsor Castle, stay tuned until the end. But now we are going to speak about the future of Tesla, so enjoy the video. So it started in February 2021 when Tesla published their financial statement, and as part of that there was an investment into Bitcoin for $1.5 billion. This came to the news, and quite quickly it pushed the price of Tesla up quite a lot, and the price of Bitcoin went up as well for a short period. Why does it matter? It's because Tesla said they are going to use Bitcoin as a way to invest their cash instead of dollar, where the return on US dollar is pretty low at present, and they think that there will be a bigger return on their investment if they put money into Bitcoin. Tesla is the first major large company to do such an investment in Bitcoin. And this is quite a revolution, because normally companies like Tesla will manage their cash reserve in euro, in dollar, in yen, or other currency who are controlled by central banks. Bitcoin is not. It's a decentralized currency created as a means of storing value and can exchange as well between buyers and sellers. So Tesla see a lot more into the future into that, and this is what we are going to focus on the third part of this video. This announcement from early February was followed by a tweet from Elon Musk in late March. And what he said is now Tesla was offering the way to buy Tesla products on their website where you can buy into Bitcoin. This is the first major step where people can purchase a full Tesla electric car fully paid into Bitcoin. The car is not listed in a Bitcoin currency, as you would say if you buy a Tesla in Europe or in England in pounds, but it will be a conversion of the US dollar price into Bitcoin price. And they did more than that. In the Tesla support page, they explained that while they start to do that in the US, they are also going to expand this offer in different parts of the world into the futures. What also Elon Musk did in the following tweet is to announce that Tesla will not convert those Bitcoin back to US dollar. They will increase their cash reserve in Bitcoin with the payment they receive from their car buyer into their Bitcoin cash reserve. It was also confirmed via a tweet from Elon Musk that we will be able to buy Tesla into Bitcoin in other parts of the world later this year. So watch out this space to be able to invest into a Tesla in Bitcoin if you are not in the US. So how many people will take Tesla on this offer and buy a new car on Bitcoin? I'm not sure. Maybe a few, but not a vast majority of people. It's still quite early to do, and I don't believe this will be a massive success in terms of ordering Tesla into Bitcoin yet. But it may be a very different story in a few years' time. Before we talk about the future of Tesla, I would like to remind you to click the like button, if you like it of course, and also subscribe to my channel. This will help me a lot to grow and also to make more videos like this one in the futures. If you have any comments, please comment them in the comment section below and we can discuss why will you buy a Tesla in Bitcoin. Thank you for this. So why is Tesla doing all of this? Well, maybe one tweet from Elon Musk can give us a clue. He also tweets about the future of DeFi. DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance. So what is it? Decentralized finance, it's a blockchain-based form of finance that does not rely on central financial intermediaries, such as exchanges, brokerage firms, banks, or central banks, to offer traditional financial instruments, and instead utilize smart contracts on a blockchain to make financial transactions. So yes, I realize this is quite complicated, but imagine buying and selling stuff, not using your bank account, not using a central bank who can advise or correct the value of what you buy or sell. This is making a new financial system completely outside of the banking industry. So now, if we look at the vision from Elon Musk, he would like to use the fleet of all Tesla produced around the world to become robo-taxi. The way that you could do that with autonomous vehicle, if you link that to a way to pay and receive cash outside of the financial system, you have a fully decentralized model not linked to any government policies or currency corrected by central banks. So this is a fully independent structure that Tesla could use in the future for their fleet of cars, where people could spend money for rides in a digital currency like Bitcoin, and owners could receive money in a decentralized currency like Bitcoin as well. You can see now how all this tied together between the investment in Bitcoin that they did in February, offering Tesla vehicle to be purchased into Bitcoin now in March, and in the future having a fully decentralized robo-taxi fleets for their model into the global systems, not linked to any currency in the world. Well, we'll now arrive at our destination, Windsor Castle. Windsor Castle was built into the 11th century by William the Conqueror and then was used by 39 Queen and King into the UK. This is the residence of the Queen and where she spent most of her time during lockdown. It's quite a privilege to be able to walk around that fantastic site, and we really enjoyed our ride. Well, this is also the end of this video. I really hope you enjoy it, and we'll leave you with some beautiful scenery from Windsor Castle. Please don't hesitate to comment below. Will you buy a Tesla using Bitcoin? Will you think this is a good idea for Tesla to invest in Bitcoin? And do you think this will be good for Tesla investors as well? I would like to know and read about you. Thank you for watching this video. I will leave you with some music and views about Windsor Castle. Thank you and bye bye.